Welcome back to this Canadian immigration channel. Today's topic is something that worries a lot of citizenship applicants. What if you can't take the standard citizenship test? Maybe you have a condition that makes testing impossible, or maybe you can't understand the significance of the oath due to a mental disability. Does that mean you can't become Canadian? Absolutely not. Canada has something called compassionate grounds waivers. These are special provisions that recognize that not everyone can meet every requirement in the standard way. Let me explain how this works. If you have a mental disability that prevents you from understanding what citizenship means, you can request a waiver of the oath requirement. Your doctor will need to complete a medical opinion form for citizenship waivers, and you'll need someone to act as your guardian in the application process, usually a parent, adult child, or someone with a power of attorney. For adults 18 and older, oath waivers are only granted if you're prevented from understanding the significance of citizenship by reason of mental disability. For minors aged 14 to 17, the grounds for waivers are broader. Now, you might be wondering who can act on your behalf. A legal guardian has the authority to apply for citizenship for someone who can't act on their own. This could be through a power of attorney, a court order, or in some cases, an assumed guardianship with an affidavit. Here's something else important. If you arrive at your citizenship ceremony and it becomes clear you can't understand the oath, even in your native language, the ceremony won't proceed until proper documentation is in place. This isn't to prevent you from becoming Canadian, it's to ensure the process is done correctly and in your best interest. The citizenship officer needs to be confident that if someone is applying on your behalf, they truly understand what's happening and are acting in your best interest. But let me be honest with you, navigating waivers and guardianship issues in immigration law is complex. The paperwork can become extensive, the requirements are specific, and one mistake can delay your application for months or even lead to a refusal. This is exactly why you need experienced immigration lawyers on your side. Whether you're dealing with a complex accommodation situation, you've had your citizenship application refused, or you're facing challenges with any aspect of Canadian immigration, from visitor visas to work permits to refugee claims, professional legal help makes all the difference. Contact Chowdhury Law Office today. We understand the ins and outs of Canadian immigration law, including accommodations, waivers, and appeals. If you've been refused a visa, if your refugee claim was denied, or if you're unsure how to proceed with your citizenship application, we can help. Don't let confusion or a previous refusal stop you from achieving your Canadian dreams. Call Chowdhury Law Office and get expert guidance through every step of your immigration journey. Your path to Canadian citizenship starts here.